Yeah, hello, test. Yeah, am I streaming? Yeah, I'm streaming. I'm sure I am. Hang on, I'm moving stuff up. Yeah, I'm live on Twitch, right? I am live. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so we already made the animation yesterday. Barcelona and Asata. Now I just need to put them in the engine. Look at this. Cute, right? Woo. Yeah. Go forward. Attack light. Boop, boop. Attack medium. Not very far. Right. Compared to Asata. Okay, forward animation. I don't think this is too good, but we're not making it perfect. This is just a prototype. So this, what? Oh, I can do that. Anyway, yeah, this is just a what you call it, prototype. Yeah, prototype. So it doesn't need to be perfect. We're probably gonna redo all the animations anyway at some point in the future after everything is half done or something. Shoot, 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 shoot. Medium, the medium, Asada's medium is pretty far. Look at that. Well, he uses a sword. That's why. Twin, 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 twin. Okay, so we're gonna do something. Okay, maybe we're gonna do Luna's animation first. Come on. Let me open the folder. Walking, standing. So because this and this tool cannot just export this as a FBX. Somehow this is JSON. What should I do after I made them JSON, huh? Hang on, I already exported luna.obj, right? So this is luna.obj. Let's try, hang on, just for example, I export animation. Let's try, hang on, where's the standing? Idle standing, okay. Let's for example just export this. Why is it Asata? Go to Luna. Idle. Python underscore animation dot JSON. What does this look like, huh? Why is it in JSON? So this is how the format looks. Animation idle underscore standing, loop is true, animation length 1.4167. What is this? Is this in seconds or? Huh? Bones left arm. Rotation like this. This must be like the frame 1.4167. Where is that one? Must be this one, right? Oh. 1.42. Oh, that's 1 minute 42 seconds. That's the length. This is 1 minute 42 seconds. Or something like that. Rotation, left arm doing position. At this keyframe, this is the rotation, XYZ of course. This keyframe, this is rotation, XYZ. You can see left forearm. Doesn't change maybe. Arm, this rotation. Wait, this only works if the OBJ file also has the bones. Like the left arm bones, left forearm bones, left hand. Yeah, and Scott. Yeah, it's basically the name of the bones and what either its rotation or position and the changes at which keyframe and what value. This only works if we can read that in the OBJ file. Okay, so this is OBJ's file. I'm looking for left arm. Nope, it's not found. There's no left arm here. Is there any bones information? Nope. Only bone? Nope. So does this mean that the animation data is basically useless? There's no bone here. There's no animation here. It's just vertex, 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 blah blah blah. There's no bone here. Look at that. All those are just vertex positions and stuff. That's like shin, huh? Hang on. That's like shin, right? What's it? This is like shin. Eh? This is weird. Let's look for arm. Left forearm, left forearm, left forearm, left forearm. Okay, we have left forearm, right forearm. So do we have thigh? Shin. We have left shin and right shin. Head. We have head. Wait, we do have the bone information. But does Alec know the information? Huh? Hang on. I was thinking of. Well, at first let's just for now let's open the objective file in Alec. I'm gonna export it frame by frame if needed. There are like 30 frames or something. 34. No, this thing do not change. Maybe only 30 frames. For now, we're gonna load obj into the early. Okay. I'm opening Visual Studio. Hang on, Visual Studio is taking its time loading. Oh, over there. Karambulan engine. Hang on. Let's take some time to load. Valve have a new hardware announced. Valve box. If they really release a console that's cheaper than PS4 and can play thousands of Steam games, they're gonna win the war. It's gonna be released in early 2026. Wait, that's so soon. Are they really gonna release it that soon? Okay. Mm-hmm. Come on, Joe Studio, are you responding? Update the latest version to remain supported. I'll do that later. Okay, so this is the game. I'm in the code for the game. I want to show the game before I add the new models. This is still using the old prototype. Uh-huh. Am I opening too much windows? Too many windows? Mm-hmm. Okay, it's starting. Hang on. Still widescreen. Hang on, still loading all the stuffs. Okay, so this is how the prototype of the prototype is looking. Wait, why am I doing this in this camera? Hang on. Change it. Change, damn it. Okay, so this is what I want. So this is how the game looks like. There's no animation because this model is just T-posing. There's no animation, and I don't plan to animate this model as well. So Kami and Sakura are just T-posing, which is funny. And yeah, there's a free roaming camera as well, which I used to free roam the not done level. But I'll most likely gonna change this house as well. Okay, so what can we do? First I'm gonna load the Luna model and see how it looks. On. Copy this. Wait, okay, empty out as well. We need texture. Of course, I need texture file. Okay. Maybe I should close this window first. Free some memory. How many images? Okay. Alright, where's my drink? Wait, why am I not visible? Hang on. Why am I just like that? Holy shit, I didn't realize since when my Discord is not showing. Holy shit. I thought it is showing. But it's not, since when, huh? Wait, but it catches my audio, right? Discord. Yeah, it's getting my audio. Why is it not showing? I don't get it. I need a new 2D thing over here other than Discord. I'll look it up later, but for now I'm not showing anything. Okay, so I already copied that. Where's Sakura? Let's change Sakura. Where's the texture? Huh? This is pillar 1 mesh. You get mesh. Add animated machine node. Wait, this is all? I'm sure you can add some texture. Mesh. This is all? Okay. Huh? Is that really all? How do you add texture? Texture. Health bar. Wait. This is the function draw health bars. Texture health bar. Okay, texture media clip button. That's all. See? Somehow there's no texturing. So does that mean that the engine knows what to load, huh? I hope so. So engine change it. Luna. What's a moon? Luna.obj. Animation node and animation node to position over here. Maybe you don't need animation speed, but I'm gonna change that later. Rotation. Scale. I'm not sure if scaling to 15 is correct. Okay, so this should do it. Whoa, it's huge. It's huge. It's loading everything. I think it's loading everything. Loaded texture. Loaded texture, Luna underscore texture.png. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so just too big. Hang on. So come on. Woo! Nice, nice, nice. I need to adjust the lighting, but yeah, that's problem for later. That's cool. My model is in. This one is so small. Okay, so rotation 90 is correct. So position, okay. Let's change this to 1. I'm not sure whether we need to set it to 1 or 2 for the scale. Oh, so this is 1. Look at that, that's small, yeah, that's small. But why is she floating like that? I thought she's gonna fall to the ground. Hey, where's the collision? Oh, maybe the collision is independent to the model. Change. Ooh. So this is 1, very small, right? I need to adjust my camera's moving speed. So everything's gonna be this small from now on. Hey, this is cool. Also the shadow. Shadow just hits the hot vertex like that. It makes like a hot distinction between the light part and the not light part. Yeah, maybe we need to change this. Also, there's shadow over there. That's already correct. Alright. How big is a collision? You want to note? It's an animator. Where's the collision animator? Oh, this is the collision animator. Hang on, look at this. Create collision response animator. How high? Collision shape is in second parameter. This okay, so it's definitely not 16. So let's try 2. Hang on, it's loading. Ah, maybe I only need one because two is like that. It's not actually. It's not actually hitting the floor. Come on. I need to see. See? It's not actually hitting the floor. Can I change the color of the floor? Oh my god. I need to change it later. But there's a gap between her foot and the plane. So it really is gonna be one, huh? Come on. One. So I think we're gonna need to change the gravity as well. Wait, it's not actually one either. Because as you can see, it's not. Come on. See? It has to be smaller than one. It's smaller. 0.8f. Dum 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 dum. A little bit more, a bit smaller. Come on. A bit smaller, a bit smaller. Maybe 75. Not quite. I need to change the camera speed as well. Look at this. We're gonna have to go 0.7. Oh, I think this is really good. Look at this. Come on, change. The button's too sensitive. Do I need to change it to 2 button inputs for toggling camera? Oh my god, not yet. It's probably 0.6. Everything is so small. Well, it is low poly. Is it okay if everything is so small? Do I need to make it big? Like, this is my model on the left and Cami's model on the right. And yeah, see, as you can see, it's big size difference. Is a model this small a standard? That's what I want to know. Still not on the floor. We're getting smaller and smaller here. Is that good enough? Damn it. Come on. It's not good enough. Hey? So just where there's no changes. Huh? So just where there's no changes. Hmm. Let's try it. We're getting a very small collision shape now. Oh, I think this one is already touching the floor. Don't you think? No, not yet. How small does it need to be? Okay. It's getting really close to the ground right now. Come on. Come on. Is it not quite? But it is getting smaller. The gap between the ground and her foot. 0.2. Are you kidding me? Huh? It's so small. Wait, is this okay to make the model so small like this? Okay, there's no way this is not done. Come on. Oh wait, maybe there's something that I'm doing wrong. Hang on. Look at that. It's still not touching the floor. I don't think it's the. I think there's something I'm not doing correctly. There should be something. Characters node, yes. Collision shape is in second parameter. Gravity also from center 0, so it's gonna be right on the center. This is the plane node, okay? So over here, so we're colliding with the plane node. And this is the animator. Let me change position, rotation, scale on the material. Okay. Hang on. There's no height or width that says collision shape based on the second parameter. Do I need to be making offset from center? So maybe it is from the center because this is based on the second parameter, right? Look at this. Second parameter, what is second parameter? Ellipsoid radius. Vector 3df. Huh? Are you kidding me? Yeah, this is ellipsoid radius. This ellipsoid with which collision detection and response is done. If you have a scene node and you're unsure how big this should be, you go from bounding box. Okay. This is the scene node. After you added animated the scene node will not be able to move through walls and is affected by gravity. It's as if you're not sure. If you're unsure how big the radius should be, you can use the following code to determine it. After do up box, your scene node, get bounding box. Code factor you got to use box and max edge, box that get center. Oh, box max edge. Well, I think we should do that. What's that? Consider code as a box. 3D F32 Constanta con Magat. What's the radius? Call up a box 3D F32 dan box. F32 ini adalah V1 node. Damn it. Get bounding box. Oke. Yang keduanya vector 3df radius sama dengan box dot max edge minus box dot get center. Call vector 3df radius. Hah? Call of 3df radius box dot max edge minus box dot get center. Minus this is the radius. Harusnya gini dari tadi. Yeah, they should do it. Why is it like this? Hmm? Why is it even worse? Huh? Okay, so how this is even worse. Look at that. She's not touching the floor. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Why? Huh? This is weird. What if I scale the object a bit bigger? Let's make it this 3. What if I do this? It's the same. Come on. Yeah, I think it's the same. Why is that? This is weird. So I really do have to set the radius myself. She can move though. Like that. Also, she casts a shadow, which is great. Wing. Should I have the radius divided by 2? Huh? I don't think radius should be divided by 2, but this is just testing. See? It's not totally working either. Come on. Still a gap. Huh. Weird. This is better. Hang on. Maybe just work on this. So there's not for that. Hang on. Maybe we're gonna change that to 3 again. Okay. Do that. Do that. There. And these gonna be. Well, let's just say it's double the size. 3 could be too big. Oh, look at that. think it's pretty good. Come on. See? Which is not exactly on the floor, but nobody's gonna know the difference just like a few centimeters off the floor, so it's pretty good. Whee! How do I jump? Oh, I haven't coded the jump function. Okay, so the question is, how do I animate it? I need to change the OBJ every frame. If I can do that, that's good. But hang on, I need to go grab a drink. Gonna go grab a drink. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Oh, wait, hang on. Can you guys hear? Okay, you guys still hear me? So I need to read about how do I animate. I'm thinking of changing the OBJ file every frame. Maybe store all the animations in an array. So all the frames of an animation is gonna be in an array, and we're gonna have to loop through the members of the array. Tutorials. Wait, is there tutorials one? The summary quite man. Can't see node movement. UI to the graphics. The animation is animating .x animation, so it will not be so good. Load.irr file, load mobile. Hang on, it should be. How do I change get mesh? Add animated mesh scene node. Pointed to the loaded animated mesh to be displayed. Wait, I just need to change this. Huh? Hang on. Add animated mesh scene node by one mesh. The mesh is the pointer to the loaded animated mesh to be displayed. So if I already loaded all the all the animations, I just need to change it in here. Add animated mesh scene node. I don't know, edits, no need, position. Well, you can set position, rotation, and stuff here. Add shadow, blah, blah. Okay, so basically, what I can do is go over here. We're gonna bake this. Does it change the animation? Yes, change the animation. So we have to undo that. But first, we're gonna export this as an obj. It's in progress function. Idle one. Okay. Undo that. Okay, now we have idle one. Wait. Idle one also has its own MTL file. It's gonna be big then. But everything uses the same Luna underscore texture, so it has to be in the same folder. See, right? Like this. Oh, already because the animation is already rotated, now she's facing that way. So I need to undo the rotation. Don't need this. Wait, why am I looking that way? So I think it's. Wait a second, does this mean that when I'm animating it in block pens, I'm animating it the wrong way? Now she's facing this way. Should I do that? Hang on. Can I do something to fix this quickly? Maybe if I rotate everything in block bench. Proposes by Natori? Huh. Now I know. The rotation, where's rotation? Rotation is 0. What do you mean, huh? But body rotation 0, why is it? I thought it's if this one facing that way, that means this one's forward. No, this one's backward. So I need to change this. Can I change? If I change to 90, 90. Come on. Kinda annoying. Wait, not 90, so it's gonna be 180? It's gonna be annoying. Can I just select everything? Nope. We can do this. If I'm lucky, everything's correct. Body, Scott. Okay, change everything 180. Boom. It's weird, what the hell? The legs are weird, the hands are weird, the arms are weird, animate. Also weird. Holy shit. Okay, so I make a mistake in modeling this. And I don't see any easy way to fix it. Because it changes all the animations. See? Changes the animation. Because the animation is going that way, but the arm is facing that way. So I guess just have to rotate the. Not 90, so make it 180. If we make an editor for this, we have to be able to rotate the model individually. Now it's looking good. If only I know about the error in when animating. I mean, not animating, it's the modeling part of. Okay. Ooh, it looks so cool, don't you think? Can't wait to see this animated. Holy shit. Or maybe I can just make it here. Can I rotate the mesh? It's a mesh, right? Hang on. A1 mesh. Can I set? There's no rotation. Imagine speed bounding box 30. How? What am I at 30? This one is called every time vertices or indices have changed. Nope. But I don't want to do this rotation, because this one, the one who's wrong is gonna be, the only one who's wrong. And I cannot make this. I cannot do this to every single character. Holy shit! God, does this mean I have to fix these two? If I fixed it, well, it's definitely gonna change the animation. I have to change the animation as well. Holy shit! What if I only change this? Only the central part. Already 180. Then the body rotation. Still looks wrong. What is this? Is that light? Wait, which part is not working correctly? I mean, the leg is not working correctly. Holy shit. So no, we cannot do this. Now let's see how it animates. See, this is how you do it correctly. I will really have to fix the animation. Hang on. Damn it. And right when I'm already putting the engine. I mean, putting the model in my engine. Now the model is wrong. I have to do that. Holy shit! Even if I don't fix it now, I'm gonna have to fix it later. God, this is annoying. Hang on, how do I deal with this? Yeah, maybe I can just do it like this. Or maybe I make every single model I make from now on to be reversed like this one. But that's not gonna be good, because if someone else uses this engine, it's gonna be like this for them. It's gonna be reversed for them. Okay, so I think the solution is we can add the solution to the engine or the editor later. Like there's gonna be a rotate function where we rotate this, the animation. I think that's the optimal way to fix this. Since we're gonna have a function to select this and then set the rotate in a button over here somewhere. Yeah, that's it. That's how we're gonna fix it. Anyway, I need to write it down. Add bar functions to rotate the mesh in the editor later. Let's give it to do over here. That's what it's the same. Functions to scale the mesh editor. So that we remember to do this later, okay? Okay, so like with this, I don't have to fix the models are wrong. I just need because the models are not really important. Okay, they're just visual representation. Okay? The gameplay is gonna be all about. It's gonna be determined by the what you call it, the frame data and all. So basically, this is just visual representation of the stuff. We don't actually collide with this. We're gonna collide with collision box. Am I still streaming? No, I'm still streaming. Nothing is wrong. Okay, so now we're back to the problem over here. Can we animate? Search for animation. There's no animation. Anim no matches. So they have main no matches. Sorry. Animated position. Animated mesh. I skin mesh. Have a function skin mesh. Add weight. After the frame plan. Animate is mesh joins based on frame input. Huh? Wait, so this is a function from iSkin mesh. Some special function of skin meshes. Okay, I have to admit I'm confused. Include iSkin mesh as join as position key as scale weight as weight. Add join as buffer at position key. Wait, what is this I'm using in here? Animated mesh scene node. Can I have that? Just use animation from another mesh. No, we're not doing this. Animated. Why can't I use animated mesh scene node? Camera scene node. Even this one. Isn't there an eye animated mesh scene node over here? Huh? Oh, not this one, animated mesh scene node. Okay, a function. You can clone. Add shadow volume, okay. Class shadow volume scene node as a child of this node. First of what? Animate joins. Clone, get animation speed, get end frame, get frame number. Now we can have get frame number. Wait, does it mean that we can add several OBJ files as frames? I don't know, see not pattern. How do I write it? First part method is mesh, not pattern. This is pattern. Measure the volume, animate joints, clone, get animation speed, get a frame and frame number, get joint. Currently display frame number. Okay, loop mode, returns to the current loop mode. There's gonna be a way to add several different meshes. Okay, mesh isn't called mesh. Get start frame, just call start frame number. Combiners, we call it play button. Animation speed. Set current frame. Set current frame loop. Set into animation. Set into animation. Huh? So not capable of displaying an animated mesh and its shadow. The shadow is optional. Shadow is why is the first parameter the parent? It's parent, manager, ID, position, rotation, scale. And this first parameter is the mesh. Loaded animated mesh to be displayed. Huh. Animated signal. Measure the volume. Animate joints. Basically, on the scene node in the current match. Confirm number, get join number, get join mode. Get pointer to join in the mesh. In the mesh is a phone-based mesh. This method is possible to attach scene nodes to joins. For example, possible to attach a weapon to the left hand. Oh, hands, lock and join mode left hand, and attach weapon scene node. The join node get loop mode. And the 3 tag animation. Current start frame number. Maybe the frame number is for the skeleton animation. But Erlich doesn't support FVX. Set loop mode. Set mesh. That's it. I animated mesh. That's a new mesh. Hang on. Isn't this an I animated mesh? No, it isn't. So this is the mesh. So can I just P1 node? Okay, there's that mesh. It takes an I animated mesh as a parameter. Okay, so I think in theory I know how to do this. We're gonna use that mesh and an array. gonna be pretty annoyingly long, the function. Not the okay, so we're gonna need a lot of these. SP1 mesh. Oh, we don't need this, so we're gonna delete this. This is only these two, right? Yep. I'm gonna change it to Luna Idol 1. I mean. Okay. Start by loading. Start by loading the necessary animation frames. Okay, so for now we don't need to be too detailed. We don't need to import everything. We're standing. There are gonna be like 30 animations. Look at that. Okay, just gonna be 30 or 31 frame in all. Damn it. We don't need to. Maybe we just 0, 2, 4, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, or maybe every 3 frames. 3. So we're gonna have 10 frames in total doing this. So the 3 frames, the 10 frames or 30 frames, huh? Just choose. But they're also so small. This OBJ is only like 83 kilobytes. The size is too small, it's ridiculous. Okay, how many? I probably can stream for about 10 more minutes before I have to take a break. Are we really gonna? You know what? Let's do this. Let's watch every 3 frames. Break them. Export. Call this idle 2. Okay, it's back. And number 6. Break this. I don't. Simulan. Quick animation. Hang on. Call. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Sekarang ya. Oke, oke, 5 menitan lagi ya. Ya, ya. Just got a call from my mom. She wants me to pick her up, and I say I'll go in like 5 minutes. So I have shorter time to finish this. Go, drop, fine. Hang on. Top hook, what am I pressing? Undo. Pick that. Namanya MTL. Claro. Okay. 12. No. 18. Like this. Two 8. 24 ini 9. Okay. That's for BJ. Okay, 10. Yeah, everything's correct. Frame number 30 is gonna be back just like the first frame. or if it's very subtle difference, you wouldn't be able to tell anyway. So now I have frame 1 until frame 10, and I can just, so next up I need to load everything from frame 1 to frame 10 over here. Either my animate mesh, and then we're gonna have to find a way to load them here first and then loop them around like that. Maybe each animation have its own FPS. Yeah, I think it's reasonable for each animation to have their own frame per second speed. So there's that as well. But for now, I'm gonna have to end the stream because I have to pick up my mom. Alright, it's been fun. Thank you, everybody. See you guys next time.